Hello everybody, I've got a fun one today. 60400 Go-Karts and Race Drivers. You get 2 carts, rubber wheels, only $9.99. Supposed to be hours and hours of fun. Let's take a closer look. Here we have the box. Looks like 2 similar but different go-karts with rubber tires. And look at them go. They are having some fun. 99 pieces. This is why it's awkward. I've only opened it. I haven't looked inside. This is the back. It looks like there's a trophy, so that's what they compete for. Let's see what's inside here. Okay. That appears to be everything. So we've got 2, 1 and 2 guides, so you and a friend could build. I'm looking for any sticker sheets, but because it's a 5 and up, there may not be any stickers. Got 1 bag and 2 bags, and what looks to be nothing but printed pieces because of the lack of stickers. Yeah, that's a print. Cool. But like I said, I've heard good things. I've heard these are a fun little build, and for $9.99, can't beat that price. So let's get building. So let's look first at our first minifigure. We have a print on front and on back, but solid colors throughout. Nice helmet, and wow, that was a fun pop-off. And just one side of a printed head. So she's pretty happy, which means she's having fun, or maybe she's the secret winner. She does not have a hairpiece, so just the helmet. Be aware of that. But then the rest, we start building. There is no body like in a Speed Champions, so we'll see what happens. Well, here's our base. Pretty clever with the coloring. There's the gray, black, red. Kind of looks like one fancy piece, but it is all separate pieces. But clever frame building for sure. And that's it. Boom, bing, bing. We have a go-kart. We have 1 go-kart. And here's a person. And me with my one hand. There we are. They are in the go-kart with the rubber wheels. It really is very, very grippy. I'll tell you that for sure. You can't even stay in frame. It's so much grip. This is what it looks like. The rubber wheels. And then... oh, this darn one hand... oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. Stars is born because, boom, he exists. And it's waiting for his ghost number 2, which is coming. But, yep, it's as simple as we all thought it was. But it is as fun as we could think it could be, especially when there's another one on the way. These were the only extra pieces, which is rare, but again, only 50 pieces or so in this one little car, so maybe that's normal. But got the second one to go, so here we go. Okay, so minifigure number 2 is this guy with his rear print and front print. And sort of smile, but not as big, indicating maybe he doesn't win the big race. And the trophy, which I did not build, but looks simple, that I will try to do with one hand. We've got the trophy, and then the fee. Oh boy. Oh, nope, that's not it. Oh, I did it! One-handed wins again. There's the trophy. I should hold it for that win. So it's here, just within his grasp, but maybe not, because look how much happier she is. Oh my gosh. So anyway, gonna start building the car now. Looks like it is similar to last time, but with different colors. Here we go. And it's done! So, yeah, it even has real live working engine sounds. No, that's just a car from outside. Anyway, here's what it looks like. And here's how it compares to the other one. So there are differences. They clearly came from different companies, but probably the same number of cc's. But you can see the engine is different in the back, but same tires, same frame, I guess you could say. Let me put my guy up in here. There he goes. Ready to race, my little dude? No, he's not ready. Okay, he's about to be. Okay. Here we go. 2 people ready to race with rubber tires. Who do you think is gonna win? Well, we already know it's her, because she's got the bigger smile. Oh, she's actually looking kind of scared here. He's looking confident. Wow, the tables have turned. Well, either way, I can't do much with one hand, but here's the trophy. Here are the go-karts. $9.99. Extra pieces, extra trophy, golden car. That's a nice piece. And yep, not too bad. So yep, that's it. Thanks, bye.